What's up, people? Welcome back to Don't Pick Your Nose After Eating Hot Pepper Part 5. My buddy Jason developed these, I wouldn't even call it a ghost pepper. This is a ghost pepper. That's a ghost pepper. This is his version of the ghost pepper. This thing is ugly. Look at that. It's called Jason's Giant Red Ghost. I think you can use it as a telephone. Look at that. It's the size of my face. How? There's no way eating that in one bite. Let me cut it open and get it going for y'all. I was told that I was going to puke. And as far as I know, I'm the third person to ever eat one of these. The last two of them, it hurt them pretty bad. Of course, Jason's one of them, and he called me out on this video, so I have to do it. And oh my God, I don't want it. Look at that. That's brutal. I'm picking the stem off this thing. There ain't no wood going in my mouth. Oh my God, look at that. God. All right, y'all ready? All right. Oh my God. I don't know why I do this to myself. It's a lot of pepper. Wow. Oh my God. I don't know what to say. Dude. My freaking tongue is gonna fall off. Dude, this is way harder than this is way harder than the chip I done. It's so hot I'm getting cold chills from it. Ooh. Oh my God. Ooh. That was so dumb. But that's Jason's Giant Red Ghost. Ooh. Us Kentucky boys know how to do it. And oh my God, it's in my head, it's in my mouth, it's in my nose, it's in my eyes. Oh, it was so stupid. Oh my God. I'm good, but my God, I can feel it in my ears. I think I'm done for a little while after this. Ooh. You gotta relax. Try not to panic here. I'm about to lose my shit. Oh, got the nose running. Oh, that makes me mad. My mouth burning is so bad. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Dude. Oh, this one hurts. Oh, this hurts so bad. Alright, 30 more seconds. Oh. Oh. Oh, it hurts. Oh. Never again. Alright. Oh, I would give a big shout out to Jason. That was bad. Thanks, y'all. Y'all enjoy.